The AC Hotel Tokyo Ginza is located in the upscale shopping area of Ginza in Tokyo, Japan. It's one of 3 Marriott hotels in the area. It's right between a loft and a courtyard. Its location is ideal if you want to be exploring Ginza. It's within easy walking distance of the famous Ginza 6 shopping mall, the Kabuki Theater, and the Seiko Clock Tower, as well as a bunch of other upscale shopping. However, our favorite thing about the location is that it's near both the Ginza and Higashi Ginza subway stations, from where you can easily get pretty much any part of the city. It's a quick ride to Tokyo Station, and wherever you want to go in Tokyo, it's pretty easy to get there from one of these stations, both of which are just about a 5 or so minute walk from the hotel. You can also catch a direct train to Haneda Airport from Higashi Ginza Station without having to change trains along the way. There's a Lawson's convenience store across the street and a 24-hour 7-Eleven around the corner. We love this hotel. We've stayed here twice, and we wanted to do a room tour so you can get an idea of what to expect when we stay here. Okay, here we are in the AC Hotel in Ginza in Tokyo, Japan. So this is actually one of our favorite hotels. We've stayed here before. It's pretty simple. It's not, a real upscale hotel or anything like that, but we absolutely love it. We love the location. We love the way we're treated here. It's great. So this is a King Deluxe, I believe, room, and just it's on the 4th floor, which they offered us an upgrade actually up to a higher floor, but it wasn't a bigger room. That's because my wife has platinum elite status. We turned it down because we would rather have the king size bed, but as you can see over there is a table and chair, little bench on the side. Big king size bed. The beds here are awesome. Very, very comfortable, and it has this sort of split bathroom, but kind of finishing up over here. So it's a fridge and a desk, a couple shelves, a bench for all your stuff if you buy a lot of stuff in Japan like we do. There's a decent sized closet. A lot of it's blocked by the safe and stuff, but and a big full-length mirror there, and the separate toilet and shower. And the shower is one of the reasons we love this hotel so much, because this is fully enclosed waterfall shower, and it is awesome. So anyway, that is the tour of the AC Hotel in Ginza. Do not have free breakfast here as a platinum member. AC hotels, they usually give you some kind of credit, food and beverage credit or something, which they offered us. We just took the points because we like to eat around Tokyo and it's cheap. So anyway, that concludes our tour.